Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't uploaded in a really long time, but my schedule is just so messed up right now. But yeah, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the air raid in RoBending. I know I'm pretty late onto this video since the update released a while ago, but hope you guys can still enjoy it. Alright, so now that we're in the raid, the first thing is you have to fight these firebenders off. They're pretty easy. um, I'm not going to be talking a whole lot in this video since my throat is a little sore, so I'm going to probably be fast forwarding some parts like fighting the enemies and stuff. Okay, so now that we're done with those firebenders, we have to move on to this next part over here, which is the earthbenders. So we're gonna fight a whole lot of earthbenders now, so I'll fast forward that as well until we get to their like commander. Okay, so now it's time to fight their leader. So here he is. He's kind of strong. Since I don't have a lot of health, they do a lot of damage to me, so I almost die in a few of these fights here. So yeah, I'll fast forward this part as well. Okay, so now that we're done with that Earth Commander, we have to do some parkour over here. So let me get some of my health back real quick. If you guys didn't know, you can destroy the barrels and stuff to get your health back, which is really nice if you don't have a healer. So I'm doing that right now. And now you just have to jump over these. Usually it does fling you off, but somehow I did it first try, which is really nice. But yeah, so now we have to fight some air people, so I'll fast forward that part as well. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we have to fight like an air nomad like leader. So I'll fast forward that part. He does have a lot of health, so this is kind of annoying to kill, and he does a lot of damage to me again since I have like really low health. But yeah. Okay, so now that we killed him, it's time for the final boss, which is the old lady airbender. So after you kill her, you will defeat the dungeon. So I'll fast forward this battle as well. Okay, so I did end up dying, but at least you guys saw the raid now, so yep. Thank you guys for watching. That's gonna be it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.